I'm Kai Ostwald. I'm an associate professor at the School of Public Policy and Global Affairs. I've got a joint appointment with political science as well, and I'm the director of the Institute of Asian Research. I'm a political scientist by training, so I focus on political economy, on development. Most of my work is in hybrid regimes. So these are regimes with democratic and autocratic tendencies. I do a range of both practical and academic projects there. I focus on everything from conflict mitigation to institutions that accommodate ethnic diversity. This is mostly situated in Southeast Asia, where there are, of course, a number of hybrid regimes, but these are really lessons or contexts that are broadly applicable around the world, and increasingly, unfortunately, in contexts like North America and Europe as well, where we see autocratic elements creeping into politics. I teach a course on quantitative methods that students come in generally very afraid of. The world around us uses numbers. We are bombarded with numbers as evidence, and unfortunately, much of the time, those numbers misrepresent reality. So it's critical for a practitioner in public policy or global affairs to have the ability to think critically about quantitative evidence. And that's the focus of the class. We teach the class without extensive formulas, without asking them to think back to algebra or calculus, but instead to think about how this is applied in the real world, how you connect with both producers of evidence, but then also in the end consumers of evidence in a way that they're going to understand. Right? So it's a much more applied and professional, in some respects, focus than students would likely have had in their past courses, similar courses. I think my greatest potential for impact is through the students. Our students are incredibly bright, incredibly motivated, incredibly driven to make an impact in the world, and being part of that journey is incredibly fulfilling. I see working with them through mentorship, through formal classroom engagement, through the GP Squared program as the best opportunity I have to shape issues I care about around the world. And I can also say it's just an incredible privilege to work with our students. And I think all of my colleagues would see that the same way.